Hello and welcome to a brand new yoga practice. This practice, as you might have seen from the title, is a quick and simple practice to kind of unwind and reset after a busy day. So whether you've been sitting or standing throughout the day, this practice is just kind of meant to open up the body and prepare yourself for rest. So we're going to start off in a seated pose. So if you have a meditation cushion or, oh my goodness, or a block or anything like that, even a big fluffy pillow that you keep on your couch, that will work too. But essentially we want to come to the front-ish edge of your cushion or your block, so that your knees can drop down towards the floor and you feel an opening in your hips. Now, if your knees are still up here, go ahead and grab more pillows or blocks and tuck them underneath your knees so that your muscles can relax in the natural spot that they fall to. Over time, with a regular yoga practice, your body will naturally start to get used to these different shapes and kind of fall into a more relaxed state. So keep practicing. All right, so sitting up nice and tall, go ahead and rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. And we'll just start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and a slow, steady breath out through the nose. Not forcing the breath, just noticing what naturally, or the natural cadence of your breath. Now on your next inhale, we'll take a count to 4. Pause at the top of your breath, and then we'll exhale for a count of 6. Pause at the bottom. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. And pause. Last round, inhale, pause, and exhale. Beautiful. Let your inhale come naturally and take 2 breaths, just your regular breathing rate again. Slowly blink the eyes open. All right, now totally up to you. I'm gonna move my meditation cushion because I like doing these next exercises straight on the floor, but you can stay right where you're at. All right, and you can put your pillow next to you or your blocks next to you. So because we're gonna take a nice big breath in, reach that right arm up, right along with your ear. As you exhale, we're going to lean over to the left. And you can bring your left elbow down to your block or cushion or pillow. And lengthen through that arm. And what we're aiming for here is a opening feeling through the side body. If it feels okay on your neck, you can look up towards the sky or the ceiling. Go ahead and turn your thumb so that drop your thumb down so that your palm is now facing behind you. We're going to make a big circle with that arm. And then the thumb comes up, inhale. Thumb comes down, exhale. Stay broad through the chest. Inhale, reach up. And exhale down. Beautiful. 2 more on this side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, thumb down. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale down. Awesome. Come back up to seated. Maybe reach both arms up for a moment. And then both arms down. All right, next side, reach the left arm up high. And then lean over to the right. Maybe bringing your elbow to a block or to your cushion or pillow. Take some deep breaths and feel that lengthening happening in the side body. Option to look up towards the sky. If you feel any tension in your neck and that it feels uncomfortable, you can gaze down towards the floor or you can gaze straight ahead. All right, go ahead and drop that thumb. Bring your arm back behind you. Inhale, the thumb lifts. Exhale, thumb points down and bring that arm down. Keep the chest open. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Last one, reach up. And down. Come back to the center, reach both arms up. And exhale, both hands down. Now we're going to move on to hands and knees into a classic yoga pose that many people know. So with your wrists underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, drop the belly, lift the tailbone, gaze moves up, and almost like you're leading with your heart, pressing your heart between your shoulders. Exhale as you round the spine, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, open through the heart. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round. 2 more here. And if at any point in the video one of these postures is feeling good and you want to spend more time there, please feel free to pause and take as long as you need. Beautiful. Come back to neutral. And then we're going to walk up to a high kneeling now. So from here, we're going to step the left foot forward into kind of a 90-degree bend. Okay, and then here, if this bottom knee is feeling uncomfortable, go ahead and slide a towel or another pillow underneath that knee to give it some extra cushion. But what we're going to do is we're going to sink down into this front leg. And so now you should be aiming towards being on top of your knee. So there should be less pressure now. But either way, so we're gonna stay here for a few breaths. Find the strength. So there's a little bit of strength happening in this front leg so that your right leg can kind of release and get into those hip flexors a little bit. Awesome. And if you'd like, you can come out of it for a second, readjust, and then sink back in. Nice big breath. And a full exhale. Awesome. Press through your front leg. Come back to a kneel. And then we'll switch sides. So right leg comes forward. And then go ahead and sink into that one. Taking your time here. Nice deep breath in and a full exhale. Press yourself back to kneeling. Then we'll come back onto tabletop. We'll tuck the knees, send the hips high, and then slowly press your arms straight. Keep a good bend in your knees here. Gently walk the heels whenever you're ready. Take your time. Open up the backs of the legs. And know that your heels do not have to touch. So we're going to come up onto your toes for a moment and then press your heels down. Lengthen through the spine. Beautiful. Come back to your hands and knees. All right, go ahead and cross the ankles and return to seated. Now this last one, if you have a wall nearby, I'll show you what to do. If you don't have a wall nearby, you can use a chair and put your legs up on a chair. Or you can simply lie on your back and have your legs with a little bend straight up into the sky. But if you do have access to a wall, you're going to slide your hips as close to the wall as you can. And then you're going to lay down and bring your legs up to the wall and turn so that your bottom is flat up against the wall. And then stay here for as long as you need to. Find your breath. And start to slow down your breathing rate. Elongating the inhale and the exhale. If you can and have the time, staying here for even 5 minutes is absolutely wonderful. It helps to make the blood easier to circulate in the body because our feet have been below our heart all day. But if after only a few minutes you feel like you're ready to stop, you can stop as well. And when you are ready, go ahead and walk your feet down the wall and then off to the side as you make your way back up to seated. So again, you can repeat those same postures as many times as you'd like for this practice, or you can come back to these at any point throughout the day or use this routine as a wind down for your evening to get ready to go to bed. So I hope you felt some relief in these stretches, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you like this kind of content and you'd like to see more yoga practices and recipe videos, be sure to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments your thoughts about this practice, because I'd love to hear from you. All right, until next time.